Today, let's walk through how to download and install the Better Printer software. First, scan the QR code provided in the printed user manual to access the digital user manual. In the digital manual, locate the software download section and copy the URL into your browser's address bar. This will take you to the download page. You can also download the software directly from the official HTVRONT website. On the left, you'll find RIAN software, and on the right, Better Printer. Make sure to download both. Double-click the Better Printer installer and confirm or modify the installation directory. Choose whether to create a desktop shortcut and click Next. Then install. A driver installation window will appear. Follow the instructions to complete the setup. All drivers are secure and verified. After installation, restart your computer. Once restarted, open Better Printer. If prompted for network permissions, check all options and click Allow. Installation is now complete. Now Better Printer is fully installed and ready to go.